In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix archive stories missing or not showing, or rather not working at all. So before we move on this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, as this really helps me out. So that said, let's get started with the video. So first up, let's access our archive settings by easily clicking on these three lines right over here and then selecting the archive option. And as you can see, I don't have any stories posted, or I haven't posted any stories on this account as it is a brand new account. But in your case, maybe you have a few stories posted and they're not showing on your archive, and you need to make sure that you go over to the settings by clicking on these three dots right over here and then click on settings, and make sure you have the option save story to archive on, as this will really, or rather, help Instagram save your stories once they expire in the near future. So make sure this option is turned on. If it's not, turn it on. Or the other option is that if, for example, your posts or stories rather are blacked or grayed out, you can easily delete the Instagram app and then reinstall it. This can really help get those posts not to be grayed out. So if your posts or stories rather are not clickable and are grayed out, you can easily delete the Instagram app, and this can really help you click or make your stories clickable. And you can easily delete the Instagram app by exiting out of Instagram and then long click or long press on the app and then click on the uninstall option right over here, and that should easily uninstall Instagram, then reinstall it again. And this can really help remove the gray option or the grayed out error from your stories. So those are the two suggestions I suggest you do, or rather the options or methods I suggest you use. The first one is to enable the save story to archive option, and the second one is if your post or stories rather are grayed out, delete the Instagram app, then reinstall it again, and that should easily fix the problem. So in most cases, these two options work, so you can try them out and see if it works. If it does work, please leave a comment